Bungoma, we are standing, and all staff who are working here. Your Excellency, I'm also accompanied by my wife. Let me also recognize her. Otherwise, maneno inaweza kuharibika. Your Excellency, today is a great day for the people of Bungoma. May I take this opportunity to warmly welcome you, the whole country, and indeed the world, to our county. I want to thank you most sincerely for choosing us to host this year's Madaraka Day. I wish to share with you the warm greetings from all the people of Bungoma County, those gathered here today, those building our county and our country from various places, and those in the diaspora whom I know are following this occasion with joy. Today, we remember and celebrate the wisdom and the courage of our founding fathers who faced serious adversity to gain our independence and create a nation called Kenya. This very stadium that is hosting the auspicious 61st Madaraka Day is named after one of the greatest sons of our time, the late Honorable Masinde Muliro, a true champion of the second liberation. We celebrate these fallen heroes even as we remain cognizant of the fact that despite divergent backgrounds and varying viewpoints, they fought for the same cause. We are here because of your benevolence, Your Excellency. We could not, as a county government, have achieved this and to this standard of the stadium even if we saved for the next 20 years. Your Excellency, devolution is at the heart of the new constitution and a key vehicle for addressing historical disparities which have long led to conflicts. Our system of devolution combines a measure of autonomy and interdependence, leading to a cooperative system between the two levels of government. This requires that both embrace a system of consultation, negotiation, and consensus building in the run-up of state affairs. Mr. President, on behalf of the devolved units, I want to thank you and commend you for your continued support for devolution and especially devolving these national celebrations to counties, for this strengthens your presidential resolve to support counties and the devolution agenda in your national endeavors. It is therefore a great honor for us as counties and as the people of Bungoma that you have chosen to share this national celebration with us. It would be remiss of me not to pass the gratitude of the people of Bungoma. Mr. President, all the major roads in Bungoma town and its environments are well lit, hence promoting a 24-hour economy in our town. Our airstrip at Matulo can now safely land a 35-seater plane, but it's our wish and focus that in the future it be upgraded to an international airport. And Your Excellency, when it's at that level, we want to propose